Okay, you guys asked for it. Here is the recipe to making patacones, one of Panamanian's best side dishes. So you get one of those, bananas that you never get at the grocery store. In American grocery stores, called a plantain. You take that little top off. You cut it up into, I would say, like 1-inch pieces. 1-inch wide pieces. You get olive oil. She's using canola oil, by the way. This is Nathan's lovely aunt Norris that is making this and showing me exactly how to do it. You place it all into this hot oil. I asked her about how long I should cook these on each side, and she said, I don't know, but I'm guesstimating like 4 or 5 minutes each side. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to smash and peel. So you get one of these already cooked. You smash it with just a simple cup. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. And then you're going to scrape it off with a sharp knife. Okay, look at this again. It's going to happen real quick. We grab that. We smash it. And then you get them all flattened out like this. It's about 7, 8, 9 pieces. But the last thing you want to do is you're going to put them back in the oil 3 pieces at a time, and you want to let them cook on each side about 30 seconds. And then you're going to set out a paper towel and you're just going to let them rest there. It's really like kind of nice because they come out, even if it's like a lot of oil, they come out really light and crispy. And then you just serve them like this. You're done. Enjoy.